Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything, subscribe to my channel. There is more how-to information that will teach you how to build an offline business or local business consulting business. There's more of that on this channel absolutely for free than there is in 99% of the info products that are now collecting cyber dust on your hard drive. So subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that every time I upload another one of my cool videos, you will get notified. What I've got for you today is the following: LinkedIn marketing strategy for 2019. You know, I have been using LinkedIn since, really using it heavily since about 2015, 2016. I really can't remember. And I get so much business off of that. It's insane. The beautiful thing about LinkedIn is through LinkedIn, you can get connected to any business professional on the entire planet. No joke. There are over 500 million people with accounts on LinkedIn. There's 7 billion some odd people on planet Earth. So what does this mean? This means like every business professional that you can imagine has a LinkedIn account. Excuse me, I'm drinking some tea. And if you know how, you can get in touch with those people even with a free account. So if you want to rock LinkedIn in 2019, you're going to need the right marketing strategy. Now, by that, I mean the following. You know, things have changed a lot since Microsoft bought LinkedIn. Especially a lot of the tools that we had available to us for free on a free account were taken away. Now, I totally understand. LinkedIn doesn't make money when I just use it for free. You know, they make money when I subscribe to one of their, pro accounts, like the one that, the business account that includes Sales Navigator and all that stuff. And that's $80 a month, and it is well worth the subscription price if it's something that you use to actually get business. But a lot of people, when they get started, can't afford that. So all of my videos on LinkedIn, I always focus on the free account. So let's talk about what you need in place, even with a free account, to crush LinkedIn, because it has changed since Microsoft bought the platform. Not only did Microsoft want to push everybody toward the paid accounts, but one of their other main goals was to turn LinkedIn into more of a content platform, more of a content marketing platform, like Twitter, like Instagram, et cetera, something where the content was really important. What we're going to get, this is not all going to be PowerPoints, guys. I'm just going to lay the foundations here with PowerPoints, and we're going to get out for a few minutes, look at my account, and I'm going to show you around. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So you need to absolutely have in place a killer profile. I'm going to show you my profile in a couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to have a killer profile. You need keywords in the title and in the profile summary. A lot of people are searching for you via search. They're searching for you, searching in LinkedIn. They're even searching for you in Google, and your LinkedIn profile will show up. If you get the right keywords in there, then you're going to come up on more searches. The profile summary, that's the written part of your profile that you write. That is incredibly important. I'm going to go over my profile summary with you. You write yours however you want. The problem is most profile summaries that I see, they're written like a resume. They're written like you've got your resume and you're trundling out and you're going to go get a job. That's not what your profile summary is for. A growing base of contacts. That really is the key to networking on LinkedIn, is to be connected to a lot of people. I'll show you how to do that too. Now that's the basics. Now let's talk about the secret sauce that you need to have in place for 2019. So if you want to dominate LinkedIn, 2019, 2020, 2021, and into the foreseeable future, you're going to have to go beyond what everyone else does. Best case, everybody else fills out all that stuff that I just showed you on the last slide, and it looks pretty good, and they just leave it like that, right? But you have to go beyond that. Specifically, what you need is a consistent, underscoring the word consistent, content marketing campaign on LinkedIn. You need consistent updates, ideally several times a day. Now, you may be wondering, but Lee, how am I going to do that? Hang on, I'll let you know. And You need consistent blog posts. Okay, like used to be called Pulse. I would say at least one a week. In order to make this happen, you're going to need some automation. This is how we get the consistent updates. You're going to need some automations. Something like Hootsuite, which is what I use, Buffer, et cetera, et cetera. There are tons of automated platforms that will post to LinkedIn. Personally, I like Hootsuite. A lot of my friends use Buffer. And then there are tons of others. Just Google that. So get your profile fixed up with the right summary and keywords. Make sure you're growing your connections, and especially that you're consistently posting relevant content. So if you do this, LinkedIn's going to turn into a veritable goldmine for you. So let's do this real fast. Let's drop out of this slide and let's go over to my own account. Take a look at it. Let me walk you through it and show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so here I am on LinkedIn.com. Notice it's got my name, my picture, my logo in the background. Yours is going to have your picture, your name, and your logo, or your header on the background. This is what I mean by the feed. So this is what I use Hootsuite for. Of course, I'm connected to thousands of people, so I get tons of stuff coming into my feed. But if I were to write something here, that's what we call a status update. I use Hootsuite to do that. We have pre-planned status updates. I pop that in there 4 or 5 times a day, frankly, because I'm connected to thousands of people. They're connected to thousands of people. I'm going to show you how many connected that would be. I'm directly connected to thousands of people. Those people are connected to, each one of those people is connected to thousands of people. So I'm indirectly connected, i.e. 2 steps to close to 1 million people. I'm going to show you that. Now, so you've got to get a lot of content on this feed because you want all of those people looking at your stuff, right? Because the reason you want that is you want them to say, well, who is this person? Let me click on that. Let me go back to their profile. Let me take a look at who they are and let me think about actually connecting with them. Look, I mean, I accepted all of my inbound connections late yesterday, and look, I've already got more. So as you build your account, as you work to build your account, you're not going to have to build it on your own. You're going to start getting a lot of inbound connections. So let's go look at my profile. This is my profile. This is the profile summary. We'll open this up and come back and look at this in a second. You need to get the keywords in your profile summary and your title. This is the title right here. You need to get your keywords focused on why you're using this. I mean, think of the profile summary in a way as a silent sales letter. It's your silent salesperson. It's like a sales letter. Somebody's going to land here. They're going to see you. They're going to see who you are. They're going to read this. They're going to want to connect with you, do business with you, whatever. So you got to get that figured out. That is extremely important. Again, we're going to come back up here and read through this thing real fast, and I'm going to show you some pointers. Notice I got a ton of people looking at my profile per unit time. I have a lot of articles, i.e. blog posts on LinkedIn. I got a lot of people looking at those. I appear in a lot of searches. And the reason for that is I do the stuff that I'm telling you to do on this video. Yeah, so here's one of my blog posts, 10 Big Mistakes You're Making on LinkedIn. And I've got many of these. And you can see just by posting this, all right, this particular one was posted almost a year ago. Just by posting this, this is the number of people that have naturally taken a look at it. I've got 6 thumbs up, 2 comments, and you can just see what it is here. I mean, it's just like your regular garden variety blog post, okay? Following the kinds of things that we do for good blog posts. Probably should do a video about that in the future. Somebody remind me. But anyway, let's go back here. And you got to get the rest of this stuff filled out. You've got to get your experience filled out. You've got to get your education filled out, your skills, your recommendations, and all that stuff. Now, that's not hard, and you don't really need a video like this to know to do that, because LinkedIn is really good at prompting you for filling out your profile, and you want to get it to the point that LinkedIn tells you it's really, really good. They have a little bubble thing that they have that they will let you know about. You can look on your own account and you'll see what I mean. Now, let's unpack my profile summary real fast. Number one, I'm targeting a specific audience, okay? with a question. I tell people a little bit about me. I write it in first person. Hint, 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 do not write it in third person. That's very off-putting. I use a lot of bullet points because I want to save, I want to save time. I want to be succinct, and I especially have a call to action. And this, it doesn't have to be a big deal. And all I say is if you're interested in learning more, which I get plenty of people messaging me and wanting to learn more. If you're interested in learning more, my contact information is below. Reach out to me and let's connect. That's how to write the perfect profile summary. Now, I wanted to show you the fruits of this. Here I am on LinkedIn search, and to get from here to here, all you got to do is click in the search bar and hit the magnifying glass. So here I am on search. Now this is currently a free account. I vacillate between free accounts and a paid account. I'll get a paid account when I really want to use LinkedIn heavy and get a lot of leads for a business. Then then I don't need a paid account anymore. So I'll just deactivate that and go back to a free account. But I want to show you something here. Connections, all right? So first tier connections, these are people I'm directly connected with. Say I'm directly connected with 6,500 people. You need to be directly connected to over 1,000 people in order for LinkedIn to start working really, really well for you. That may seem like an impossible task, but if you start reaching out to people, let's say 20 a day, 30 a day, don't go over 50 a day, you should be able to get up to 1,000 fairly rapidly. If I look at my indirect connections, okay, so I'm connected to somebody, they're connected to somebody else, indirect connections. Let's apply that. This is what's really cool. Look, it's close to 1 million people. And see, I can connect with those people right here, okay? I can build my account like that, and once I'm connected with them, then without Sales Navigator, without paying anything, I have the ability to message them. And also they see my content, which builds my brand, lets them know who I am. So content is key. Content is the big thing. You must use content in 2019 in order to rock LinkedIn. My name's Lee Cole. If you will look below in the description, I've got a free course on LinkedIn, which you can just click on the link. And I'm sure there have been various cards or notifications on this video so that you can get that. Also, subscribe to my list. You will get notification of videos like this. We create software and other training products. You will get notifications about that when those come out. You will also get discounts on those, etc., etc. Lots of cool stuff. Thank you so much. My name's Lee Cole. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you very, very soon.